Hi, it's Dave Roberts with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and we're just on Highway 26, just at the base of Mount Hood, and we just got this unit in, and I love these old school Class Bs. You know, if you look at these, you see them from Road Track and from Pleasure Way, but these, compared to the new modern ones, they give you external storage to them. So super nice, and this is a great representation of the level of coaches that you'll find here at Johnson RV, and this one's been very, very well cared for. I mean, doesn't look far off from how it looked at brand new. This one's got the awning option on there. It's got the air conditioning that you got the Max Air fan vent cover up there, and some more storage here. So yeah, van with external storage. What a concept, right? So you have microwave, all real wood, and this one's got the rear couch, which I like. So this one, it makes camping out the back door a viable option. A lot of times you back into a lake spot or you back into an ocean spot, and you can open up those back doors, enjoy the fresh air and the view. So this couch motorizes down, joins these two side couches here, and then the middle can fill in, so you can have two single beds, or you can have one giant bed. So this is a view of the back here. Of course, you have air conditioning, lots of storage in here, all real wood cabinets, and then you have some prep space, countertop, 2-burner stove, refrigerator, sink. And then Pleasure Way does a great job with the bathroom. So you have a big bathroom. You have space on either side of the sink, medicine cabinet. And so, yeah, plenty of room here in this wet bath. And then with cabinets like this, you have a lot of storage. And this one was a music lover. So this person really loved music. They've upgraded the front stereo in here. Have a Kenwood sound system. They've upgraded the speakers, and so if we look back here, yeah, upgraded that radio there. They've upgraded the speakers. They have a subwoofer in here, so I'm sure this system sounds great. You have a countertop extension there, so yeah, just love. My name is Dave. If I can help you, answer any questions for you on RVs, happy to do it. I have an RV myself, and just love to get out there and camp. So anyway, we can help you at all. Let us know. We're Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. My name's Dave, and happy to take care of you. Thanks.